Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be bringing to you guys this purple inspired look. This look is mainly focused on this glitter by Cake Your Face Cosmetics. This is the glitter in the shade Grape Jelly. It's so cute. I have that all over my eyelids. So yeah, your girl is feeling herself. Honey. Yes, so don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so as usual, I'm taking this concealer. This one is a Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm applying that all over my eyelid, and this is going to serve as a base for my eyeshadow. Moving along, I'm taking this blackberry sort of shade from the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette, and I'm pressing that right into my crease, creating a semicircle sort of shape from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner area. Now we're going to move along and just blend out those edges. Using that same exact brush, we're just going to lightly blend around those edges so that it will transition a little bit smoother into the next shadow that we decide to put down on top. Pick up a little bit more eyeshadow wherever you feel like it is needed and just go in with the same exact steps. Now I'm going to take this MAC shadow. It's just a slightly lighter purple, and I'm putting that right on top of the edges of that previous color, slightly overlapping them, patting that color right on, and then going in to blend around the edges, repeating the same exact steps as we did before. Again, applying a nice light pressure and blending out the edges ever so slightly. Take your time while you blend out the edges, and we're gonna go in with this other shade of purple. I don't know how I describe this, but I'm using this as a final transition into the last purple color, and I'm just repeating the same exact steps. We're getting really close to the brow bone, so while you're blending, make sure not to cover up the eyebrow, because we wouldn't want that. That's not the look we're going for. So just blend out the edges. And now we're going to go into this Morphe palette and take this really nice pastel sort of purple, and we're going to blend out that last purple color with this. And this is just going to give a nice smooth transition, and we are going to be done with all of our crease colors after this step. Now I'm just going to highlight my brow bone using a very small detailer brush. I did switch brushes because I needed something a little bit more tiny and more precise. So I went in and highlighted my brow bone and just blended that out with the same brush I used for the last eyeshadow color. Now I'm taking my Inglot Gel Liner, and this is in the shade 94, and I'm just going to go in and create my cut crease. I'm cutting my crease. Take your time while you do this step. This is very crucial. You want to make sure that you are precise, and here we're going for a cut crease all the way across. This is not something I typically go for on my particular eye shape, but I did go for it today. I am just patting the gel down where I want it, and then I'm going to fill in the entire area with that gel liner, and I'm just making sure that this cutout is going to be the same on the other eye. And now that it's the same, I can go ahead and fill in the rest of that shape. Now that it's filled in, we're going to go in with this glitter by Cake Your Face Official, and this is in the shade called Grape Jelly. We're going to apply our eyelash glue, and then we're going to go in with our glitter, and I'm using here a silicone glitter applicator brush by e.l.f. So yeah, I just press the glitter on top of the glue. I like this glue because it has a very firm hold, and it also has a nice applicator brush. Repeat the same exact steps until the whole lid is covered, honey. We don't want to leave any blank spots because we did not put a shadow underneath. So we want to make sure that the whole area is fully covered with this glitter. There we go. And we're not going outside of that cut crease shape we created. We're staying right in there. And now I'm just going to trace around that cut crease area using this metallic sort of blue color. It's an eyeliner by Ruby Kisses. You can get this at any beauty supply store. It's like $1.99 I think, or something like that. So I'm just tracing around the cut crease just because I felt like the look was missing something and I wanted to just jazz it up a little smidge. So I was just like, let me just use this eyeliner and just trace around that cut crease area. Have a very steady hand while you're doing this because you can mess up your eyeshadow look very quickly. Now I'm just taking a wipe and cleaning up the under eye and sharpening out the edges. So yes, we skipped right to our highlighting routine. I'm just setting my highlight. I did my foundation and everything. It was the same as the last couple videos. And I'm just setting my highlighted areas with the Sacha translucent powder. Then I'm gonna go in and work on my lower lash line. So I'm taking first the purple as you've seen, and I'm going to take the lighter purple right on top and I'm going to press that along the lower lash line. I did put the Inglot Gel Liner in my waterline, the black one, and I just smoked out the lower lash line just a little bit so it didn't look empty. Now I'm going to go on top of that under eye area with the Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm pressing that into the skin, making sure that it's nice and smooth. I'm applying this to all my highlighted areas as usual. Just pressing that even over the brows. I love how it makes it look. And now I'm just going to set my entire face with this NYX powder. I've been loving this powder because it reminds me of my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, but it's not nearly as expensive. It's way more affordable. So I'm applying that all over to my face, and I'm even going to dust away my under eye powder using a little bit of that face powder on my brush. And this is how I prevent flashback. So you're not going to have any flashback if you do this step. Now I'm going to take a darker shade in that same exact powder, and I'm just going to bronze / warm up my skin. And I love the way this looks, this powder looks. It looks super bronzy. It looks really fresh, and it doesn't look super matte around the perimeter of my face, if you know what I mean. I feel like it does have like a little bit of sheen to it. So moving along, I'm going in to contour my face using the Black Radiance contour palette in medium to deep. And I'm taking that darkest shade and I'm putting this around the perimeter, sculpting out my face just a little tiny bit more. And now I'm just going to clean up the contour using that Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm just running that along the bottom side of my contour. For highlighter today, I'm selecting this Becca Opal highlighter. It is so bomb. I don't even remember why I stopped using it, but I'm back on this highlighter again, my loves, because this highlighter is just everything. It gives you a really nice sheeny glow, and it's not like a glittery sparkly glow. And I'm also going to apply that into my inner corner tear duct just to open up the eyes just a tad bit more, because we have a lot of dark colors going on around the eyes. So for lips, I'm prepping my lips first by scrubbing it with this Popcorn lip scrub by, I can't remember who the lip scrub is by, but I'm scrubbing my lips, and then I'm just going to wipe off all that crust with a baby wipe. Just getting my lips ready for my lipstick, and I'm just going to take my foundation brush and pat over that area to give me a little bit more of a blank canvas. I'm going in with a MAC lip liner. I will leave everything that you want to know down in the description bar. And I'm lining my lips first with this liner. This is one of my favorite MAC lip liners. I love this one. I want to say it's Night Moth, but I will definitely leave it down below in the description bar. Now I'm gonna fill in my lips with this deep purple, and this is like a Ruby Kisses lipstick. Just gonna fill it in, mainly focusing on the edge of my lips, because I'm gonna go in the center of my lips with a lighter purple color, and this one is by NYX Cosmetics, just to give me a little bit of an ombre effect. Now I'm gonna apply some of my Viva Glam Rihanna lip gloss by MAC, and I am just popping that right on top, and I'm using my finger because I don't want to stain the applicator. So this brings you guys to the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!